Taking the top off of this because we, you know what? We might need to get the saw to cut those off because I think they go down on the inside.
I will, but I still have to, are these, oh, they're nailed. I didn't know, I thought they were.
Okay, so we're just taking it apart. We're going to leave the box here, but we don't, we thought we'd use it more for the tomatoes. But
we've grown a lot of tomatoes.
Yeah, so for now we're just want to neaten it up a bit because it looks kind of junky.
It's on the B&B deck.
Yeah, it's on our B&B deck. So we thought.
Wendy's going to put flowers in it.
Yeah, we're going
to
plant it up.
No, these are okay.
Oh, they are, eh? Okay, good.
You know what's crazy? Look what's growing in there.
The palms.
Palms are growing everywhere. They're just...
Because you put seeds in there.
Seeds.
It's not crazy.
I don't know if I actually put the seeds in. No, I think the seeds got in with the soil mix somehow.
Oh,
I don't think I planted palms in there.
Yeah.
Okay, so that one I probably have to. That's got a screw in it, I think.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
Then we'll just leave the back on it.
Yeah, leave the back on because then I thought what we'll do is we'll maybe I'll put a clematis armandi or something.
Should I leave this or take that off?
Take it off. Yeah, just leave the back one on. Totally.
Okay, what do we got here?
Oh. Anyway.
Okay, what is Miss T up to here?
Well, we just went to the nursery, Fraser's, and we emptied this box this morning.
Well, we took it apart because it was a tomato box, so I stripped it down, and I think we're going to grow a passion vine up the back of it. And then we're just at the nursery down the road from us. We got a great nursery down the road from us here, Fraser's Thimble Farms. Yeah. These palms come up in this box. They come up in the tomato box.
This one's a Camellia.
Camellia
Knudsen, so it's got this beautiful, gorgeous
Camellia japonica,
ruby red blossom that's just loaded with petals. It's
one of them starting to come out. I saw a red. There it is, right there. You can see that. See that right there. If you can see that, and lots of flower buds on it. Camellias do very well here, and then there's a Pieris japonica there.
Which I really like this one. It's quite,
and I think you need another plant in there. What could we put in there?
One more.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. We could do a hardy gardenia or something. But anyway, it is gardening weather here. And this is what we do. We can garden year-round here on Salt Spring. It is late winter. And people are in the gardening mood now. Gardening swing.
This one was
happening.
It's called Bonfire.
Nice.
I just thought it was quite pretty. I've
looks
never
good.
seen one like that.
Anyway, that looks really nice in there. Should do well.
Yeah.
All right, folks. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos here on Gulf Island Rock.
Then we can put a couple geraniums.
Yeah, put some flowers in it. This is the B&B guest, so you know where we're talking about. This is where they hang out, so we'll give them something nice to look at. All right. And there's a bay tree right there. And, you know, bay trees are weeds here. Look at that. The forest of bay trees down there, they just self-seed. All right. Happy gardening, folks, wherever you may be. Cheers.
It is called a Tom Knudsen, and they call it a large scarlet red peony form. So the camellia flowers itself are like just layers and layers of petals. They had one there that the flower was open and it was quite lovely, but it didn't have as many branches, so I thought I'd just get this one instead. And then some Pieris and